Good day, everyone. Dr. Yang here. It is an absolute privilege to be with you today to talk about something that is so deeply personal to every single one of us, our skin. More than just a surface, our skin is a living, breathing organ, a testament to our health, our history, and our vitality. And in a world saturated with endless lotions, potions, and high-tech clinical treatments all promising a miracle in a jar, many of us are feeling overwhelmed, and frankly, a bit left behind. We're yearning for something simpler, something purer, something that feels authentic and in tune with our bodies. This has led to a powerful resurgence in do-it-yourself, easy remedies for that coveted glowing, beautiful skin. But here lies the problem, the very issue we are here to solve today. The internet is a double-edged sword. For every genuine, effective piece of advice, there is a dangerous trend lurking just a click away. We've all seen them, the lemon juice and baking soda scrubs that promise to erase acne but instead strip your acid mantle into oblivion. The toothpaste on pimples that can cause severe chemical burns, the cinnamon masks that trigger horrific allergic reactions. This landscape of misinformation is the problem we must solve. It's not that DIY is bad, it's that bad DIY is dangerous. So today, we are not just going to talk about recipes. We are going to build a foundation. We are going to become smart, savvy, and scientific about how we treat our skin with the gifts nature provides. We are going to solve the problem of DIY by moving from reckless experimentation to informed, intelligent skincare. The solution begins with one fundamental, non-negotiable principle: understanding your skin's architecture. Your skin is not a piece of canvas, it is a complex, intelligent ecosystem. The most important part of this ecosystem is your skin barrier, a thin, protective layer often called the acid mantle. This is a delicate film, slightly acidic, made up of sebum, sweat, and lipids. It is your first and best defense against pollution, bacteria, and dehydration. When this barrier is healthy, your skin is plump, hydrated, resilient, and yes, it glows. When it is compromised by harsh chemicals, overexfoliation, or improper DIY treatments, it leads to a cascade of problems: dryness, sensitivity, redness, breakouts, and inflammation. Every single thing we do to our skin must have one primary goal: to protect and nourish this barrier. This is the golden rule. Any DIY remedy that violates this rule is not a remedy, it is an attack. So, with this sacred principle in mind, let's talk about how to actually do it right. Let's build a DIY routine that is safe, effective, and truly transformative. It all starts with cleansing, the cornerstone of any routine. The goal is to remove impurities without stripping the skin. Harsh soaps are the enemy of the acid mantle. Instead, look to nature's gentle surfactants. Raw, unpasteurized honey is one of the most incredible cleansers you will ever use. It is naturally antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin. It cleanses gently while leaving your barrier intact and hydrated. Simply massage a small amount onto damp skin, let it sit for a minute to let its enzymes work, and rinse with lukewarm water. Another fantastic option is plain, whole milk yogurt. The lactic acid is gentle, the fat is nourishing, and the probiotics soothe inflammation. It's a cleansing meal for your skin. Next, we have exfoliation, perhaps the most misunderstood and abused step in skincare. We've been taught to scrub our skin into submission, but true exfoliation is about gentle encouragement, not violence. Physical scrubs made from coarse sugar, nut shells, or salt can create microtears in the skin, damaging the barrier and leading to more problems. The intelligent way to exfoliate is with fruit enzymes and gentle acids. A mashed papaya, for instance, is packed with the enzyme papain, which delicately dissolves dead skin cells, revealing the brighter skin underneath without any abrasive action. Similarly, a plain oatmeal scrub is incredibly gentle. Grind rolled oats into a fine powder, mix with water or honey into a paste, and massage gently. Oatmeal is anti-inflammatory, soothing, and perfect for even the most sensitive skin. Remember, exfoliation is not a daily event. Once, maybe twice a week, is all you need to reveal your glow without compromising your defenses. Now, for the heart of the DIY ritual, the face mask. This is where we can target specific concerns with powerful, whole food ingredients. For hydration, there is nothing more effective than a simple aloe vera gel mask. Straight from the plant if you have it, or a store-bought pure gel. Aloe is a healing powerhouse, providing deep hydration and calming redness. For a boost, mix it with a few drops of raw honey. For brightening and combating hyperpigmentation, look to turmeric. But we must be careful. Always mix turmeric with a carrier like chickpea flour and yogurt or honey to prevent staining. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. A little goes a very long way. For oily and acne-prone skin, a green clay mask is excellent for drawing out impurities. But always mix clay with apple cider vinegar, not water. Why? Because clay is alkaline, and apple cider vinegar is acidic. Mixing them helps balance the pH, bringing it closer to your skin's natural acidity, thus protecting your barrier. This is the kind of smart DIY that makes all the difference. After treating, we must tone and restore. A toner is not about stripping, it's about rebalancing. The simplest and most effective toner is rose water. It is soothing, mildly astringent, and smells divine. Green tea, cooled and applied with a cotton pad, is packed with antioxidants that protect against environmental damage. These are gentle, safe, and effective ways to prepare your skin for the final, most crucial step. Moisturizing is the seal on everything we've done. It locks in hydration and reinforces the skin barrier. Here, we turn to nature's finest oils. For dry skin, avocado oil or olive oil are rich and emollient. For combination skin, apricot kernel oil is beautiful. For oily and acne-prone skin, jojoba oil is a miracle. It most closely resembles our skin's own sebum, tricking the skin into producing less oil. A few drops of any of these, pressed into damp skin, will create a dewy, glowing complexion. And we cannot talk about DIY without mentioning the most celebrated oil of all, coconut oil. Now, a word of caution. Coconut oil is comedogenic for many people, meaning it can clog pores. It is a fantastic moisturizer for the body, but for the face, patch test first. It works wonders for some, but causes breakouts for others. Know your skin. Finally, during the day, protection is non-negotiable. The single most important thing you can do for your skin's health and appearance is to protect it from the sun. While there are DIY sunscreen recipes, I must be very clear here. Formulating a safe and effective sunscreen is a complex scientific process. I do not recommend DIY sun protection. This is one area where you must rely on tested, reputable commercial products. Find a mineral-based sunscreen with zinc oxide that you love and wear it every single day, without fail. No exceptions. But true, lasting radiance is not just about what you put on your skin, it is about what you put in your body. Your skin is a reflection of your internal health. No amount of turmeric or honey can compensate for a poor diet. Glowing skin is built in the kitchen. Hydration is your first tool. Water is essential, but also incorporate water-rich foods, cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, leafy greens. They provide minerals and hydration on a cellular level. Then, focus on antioxidants from berries, dark leafy greens, and green tea to fight free radical damage. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and olive oil are the building blocks of your skin's lipid barrier. And finally, collagen-building nutrients like vitamin C from citrus and bell peppers, and zinc from pumpkin seeds and legumes. Your lifestyle is your longest-lasting skincare product. Manage your stress, because cortisol breaks down collagen and triggers inflammation. Prioritize sleep, because that is when your skin repairs and regenerates itself. Move your body, because sweat cleanses pores and circulation brings oxygen and nutrients to your skin. This is the solved problem of DIY skincare. It is not about quick fixes or viral trends. It is a philosophy. It is about understanding the science of your skin, respecting its delicate balance, and using the powerful, simple ingredients provided by nature with intelligence and care. It is about pairing this external care with internal nourishment for a result that is not just a surface-level gloss, but a deep, authentic, and lasting radiance that comes from true health. This journey to glowing skin is a continuous one, a conversation between you and your body. And this is a conversation I believe we should continue together. If this message resonated with you, if you found this information valuable, I have a simple request. Please, like this speech. Share it with your friends, your family, with anyone who has ever been confused by the conflicting advice online. Let's create a wave of intelligent, safe skincare knowledge. And if you want to continue this journey with me, to dive deeper into recipes, the science behind ingredients, and holistic health practices, I invite you to subscribe. Together, we can build a community dedicated to real health and real beauty, from the inside out. Thank you.